Hello friends, we are going to talk about the follow-up questions of the main cue card. Describe a time when you got up early. The video of the cue card is for you in the description box so that you can listen to the video and connect it with these follow-up questions. Let us start looking at the questions one by one. What are the advantages of waking up early? There are numerous advantages of waking up early. The most important advantage is fitness and health. Another merit is that we can get more hours to study or work and do activities of our choice. We can manage our time well and do a lot. It helps us fall into a disciplined routine and our life becomes systematic. Next question. Why does the young generation hate to wake up early? Well, I'm not really sure about this, but it may be that they sleep late and hence they are sleep deprived to wake up early. Also, in the current times due to the pandemic, work and study has become online and so the morning time is wasted in sleeping. To some extent, laziness could also be one of the reasons. Next question. What can we do to sleep early? It is essential to make a conscious decision to sleep early. We need to keep all kinds of distractions away. Cell phones, laptops and TV are the gadgets which keep us awake till late. Sometimes we also keep thinking a lot. Writing down the disturbing thoughts can help us in falling asleep faster. Next question. On what occasions do people wake up early and late? People mostly wake up early on festivals and some special events at home. Boarding a flight, train or a bus also makes us wake up early. At times when there is an emergency, then one may wake up early. Getting up late happens on holidays and Sundays. Last question. What are some activities that people do on waking up early? Most common activities that people do on waking up early is exercise in the form of yoga, walking, running or going to the gym. Some people pray and others meditate. Some have to compulsorily start their day early as they have to reach office early. Some cook and others eat. अगर आपको मेरे आइडियाज़ पसंद आते हैं और आप मेरे आइडियाज़ की बुक को ख़रीदना चाहते हैं, परचेस करना चाहते हैं, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए गए नंबर पे आप मुझे डायरेक्ट संपर्क करके, डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट करके इस बुक को खरीद सकते हैं. यू कैन परचेज द बुक बाय कॉन्टैक्टिंग मी डायरेक्टली विद द नंबर गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. ये बुक में सारे नए क्यू कार्ड्स हैं, उनके फॉलोअप क्वेश्चंस हैं और पार्ट 1 के इंट्रोडक्शन क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स भी मौजूद हैं. I would like to announce to my IELTS academic students that there is going to be a small writing course for 5 days, and in that course you will be taught how to write bar charts, pie charts, tables, line graph, process diagrams and maps. The fees of the course are only 250 rupees. The course will begin on the 15th of November 2021 and will go on till the 19th of November 2021. The timings are going to be 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon, and this course will be online on the Zoom platform. If you wish to register for this course, you can contact me directly and register yourself as soon as possible. All the best.